we can just block same like before, but if you feel block and after that change with another. And why we do diagonal? So our direction is go to here. So this just block, just change the direction. So if you change this, you can touch, look like here, like that. But another, we have to do diagonal, but not like this. Why? Because if you do like this, and Eric can push me like that, or just push me to here, or just go take to down, it's also difficult to change after. But if I just like this, if you push, I still like this, and it's easier to me to move. Just stop here also, because the power still easier to change to here. Or also if with the step, I can go to here. So if something come, push, I just directly step to there. So that's why this important, not with the body, because after this, if I block also and attack is too far, also to there too far. But if I just like this, it's easier. Also to here, also to there, also to here, easier to everywhere. So that's why just block and stop here. And this also easier to touch here, to here. So that's why always like that. And the second after this, you do like this. Because also you can just prepare like this. And if something comes, just push. You can attack or can just do like this with the step because it's easier. So that's why the step in Cikalong not so large, because easier to play step normal. So you can step easier, or just with another hand to here. Same. And the basic just we do like this, touch, and prepare with another hand. When it comes, we push to here and step to here, push and step, and we just step to here. So do the opposite way, you push to here and pull to here, just like that. And prepare another, because sometimes it comes, so just like that. So that's why not so like this, but if you pull something, just prepare here.